Okay, we got a 91 notch. Anyways, it's an MS3 system, and I just got done pulling all the wiring harness out of the engine bay. This is for the trans temperature, but anyway, so a couple things. We got the front of the cylinder head, driver's side has an LS1 cam position sensor for sequential inlet air temperature. Forward fast idle is down there underneath the intake. We have the standard factory map sensor. I got hydro boost. Got a boost control solenoid, which is down there on the frame right there. Running 8 LS1 style coils, and there's the hole that goes to the firewall. It's a little bit cleaner than what it was before. Got 2 wires for the electric water pump that's back there. So come around over here, and this is the interior after I pulled all the wires through and everything. So got 3 wires here for the front speed sensor, power wire, boost control solenoid output. Those wires are for the Ford heater deal. But so anyways, that's that. We'll walk around here and get the see this wire harness. This is amazing. It's half Ron Francis and half train wreck. So anyways, the before I go over there, this is the MS3 box that's in it. We're going to do traction control. We have a vehicle speed sensor on the front hub, and then we also have one on the back drive shaft. So got onboard data logging. Like I said, that's the MS3, MS3C. I'm sorry, whoops. Ms3x 357, which is surface mounts, and so that's that. But here's the wiring harness. There's 2 relays that run all the fuel injection stuff. I think one's, I'm not sure, one of them runs the main power relay. Anyways, they had 12 volts coming in for the whole car, running on this small gauge wire here. Came into here, went through this fuse, and then they soldered all these together. That's the outputs. So you have the MS3 wires there. Everything was taped, and wires changed colors, and whoever soldered these down in here did a really bang up job on there. Kind of burned them. Anyways, that was in the trunk. Came up through the firewall, up to here, and this is all black electrical tape. Big gooey mess. We have 4 LS1 style injector connectors for the passenger side. Then we have the TPS wire. These were just cut. Don't know where they used to go. This is all just wadded up together. Don't change. You have brown wires that become black wires. Stuff. There's a cam position sensor. Ground wire coming out of the middle of nowhere. And the harness kind of loops around onto itself. That's for the fuel pressure. This gray wire here's power for the wideband. It's a Spartan 14.7 setup. And then, like I said, it's all black electrical tape, and it's just a big gooey mess. Then the inlet air temperature sensor, the crimp terminals and other kind of stuff. 4 more injector plugs right there, and then a ground wire coming off of the coil, and then the shielding from the other coil connector on the other side. But they give you a relative idea how big this thing is and how much it's laid out. And we'll do another one when we're completely finished. So it's huge, and it's a mess.